On this episode, I'm going to be showing you 3 cool tools that will help you greatly around your home. So make sure you stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews like we're going to be in today's video in this channel. So with that being said, let's get to cool tool number 1. This very first tool that I want to review is this Weber dump cart. Again, this is a very useful tool, especially when you're working around your yard, you're hauling a lot of dirt, grass clippings, or maybe hauling heavy items like paver bricks. Now, unlike a traditional wheelbarrow with one wheel, this comes with 4 massive wheels, inflatable, and also it can handle rough terrain. Now the reason why I got this is because I'm going to be hauling a lot of paver bricks that are heavy, so 1,500 pounds is the best choice for me. It does come with 3 options where you can get a smaller, medium, and a large version. The smaller is around 600, 1,200 pounds up to 1,500. Now depending on what your usage is or depending on what you can carry, it's totally up to you what sizes that you need. If you need those lists for the 3 sizes, I'll leave the links of the 3 carts on the description down below. Again, I bought this with my own money. I'm not sponsored. Now again, if you're using just a regular traditional wheelbarrow, whenever you're loading, there's a possibility that can always tip over. Something that I currently have issues with my wheelbarrow whenever I'm loading heavy things. It's not stable whenever I'm going up hills, and there's a possibility of it tipping over. Whenever I'm going up a hill or going up rough terrain, nothing tips over and it's just super stable. And mind the fact that if you're using a regular wheelbarrow right here, you just have to go all the way through, dumping it all the way back. It's just heavy on your back. But this one, effortlessly, it's just a clip of a handle and you go and dump it like a dump truck, just as you can see there. So those are my experiences with this. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this Weber dump cart. This specific model is rated up to 1,500 pounds. There are other models that are rated lower, but this is the highest one that they've got. It's very ergonomic. You can dump it and it works better than a wheelbarrow. But there's circumstances also that wheelbarrow will work better than this dump cart. I'm just showing you options. But overall, I love the build of this thing. It's built tough, it's built rugged. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Now let's talk about the cons. Well, as you can see, it is a little bit hefty, a little bit bulky. So maneuvering it might be a little challenge, especially I actually bought this for my mom to help her because she loves working around the house or working around the yard. Going downhill, it's a little bit heavy for her. Again, she's 5'1". Maybe the smaller version of the dump cart would be best for her. Again, make sure you choose the right size dump cart that's right for you, that you can handle. Why I chose 1,500 pounds is because I'm planning to move a lot of paver bricks with this dump cart, especially me moving it up in the hill. So let me know in the comment section down below if you have one of these, what's your experiences with it. Would you recommend it? Leave it in the comment section down below and share with the community. And yeah, overall, the best feature that I like about this is the dump feature and how easily you can maneuver it. Again, friends, make sure you choose the right size. With that being said, let's get to the next product. Sorry to interrupt, friends, but if you're finding this video super helpful so far, please kindly hit that like, subscribe. It'll greatly help out the channel. And if you're loving these cool tool videos, I've made more of these types of videos, so check out these videos right here. I'll leave the playlist link on the description down below. With that being said, thank you so much. Let's get back to the video. So this next tool I'm going to show you is a must, and I just have to share it with you, friends, and it's helped me so much, especially my back, and that is this Grabo portable electric vacuum lifter tool. Now let me show you the features and I'll show you how I used it. It's a simple tool. It has all the suction here. You take out this protective cover. There's an on and off switch right there, and once you push this and push it again, it shuts off, and there's a release red button right on the top, a suction gauge meter right there. So there's other versions of the Grabo that also has a digital meter as well, so depending on what you need. But if you're interested on this classic one, and if you're interested on the digital version, I'll leave those links on the description down below as well. It has a rechargeable battery. Once you take out the battery right here, just take the charger, plug it in. So the very first thing we're going to try to lift with this Grabo is this 5/8 inch drywall. It's 4x8, and you already know drywall is porous. So according to Grabo's instructions, you have to keep the suction going and on at all times. If it's non-porous, like say like glass, then you can shut off the suction once it's reached that suction limit. Okay, friends, so let's try it. Let's turn it on. Try to do your best to clean out the dust on the surface. Then we're gonna go apply the suction. Turn it on and it sucks in. Goes down to about an 1/8 inch. The reason why you want to keep it on porous, because once you turn it off, it slowly just deflates and the suction goes away. I'm gonna keep the suction going on like this. Oh wow, look how strong that is. It's making it very easy to lift this 5/8 inch drywall. I was able to get a good leverage, a good ergonomic position. Lifting up drywall, you have to go from bottom to top. Could have probably done it with one hand going up these steps. Now let's try to test it on plywood. This is a 5/8 inch thick plywood. And same thing, I'm able to lift this piece of plywood effortlessly and move it up too. What we got here is something tricky, friends. We got 5/8 4x8 OSB. Now, if you already know, OSB has a lot of pores and a lot of uneven surfaces like this one. Let me know, friends, before I test it out, do you think it's gonna work or not? Leave it in the comment section down below. Like what I thought, no, it does not work on OSB. It doesn't even stick on it. So there is a limit to it. See, it's trying to, but it just falls. You saw it, it works on drywall, it works on plywood. OSB does not work. Let's test it out on glass. Now what I have here is a piece of glass. Once you turn the suction on, in a nice, smooth, solid surface, you don't have to keep the motor running anymore because it's nice and intact, it's not porous. The suction will stay as it is, like that. This is about 50 pounds structural glass. Now to just take it off, you press the red button and the suction will go away. Releases the suction. I reviewed a lot of tools in this channel, but hands down, I highly recommend this tool right here. No joke, this is an A+ for me. It's just helped me out so much on my back, and especially when lifting up heavy items, especially if they're porous like plywood and drywall. And try it out for yourself and experiment with other types of materials and what this thing can do for you. And this is the Grabo. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. I'll leave the link on the description down below if you're interested, and try it out for yourself. It wouldn't hurt. Last but not least, this next tool I'm going to show you is a high upgrade from the regular boring tape measure that you're using. Trust me, this one's going to make you want to measure things that you never measured before. Let me show you the great features of what this tape measure can do. Digital tape measure by Milesy, and you can see that it is rechargeable as well. Now there's an option whether you want to use the regular old school tape measure method, or there's a laser option, which is highly helpful, especially if you're trying to measure up on high distances or high ceilings. There's different modes on this thing. So for example, you want to paint an area and you want to know the area, or you're doing flooring and you want to know the exact area square footage, that flooring that you need for that area. There's an option where it automatically calculates the area square footage, the volume, and there's also the Pythagoras option as well. Great also about this is that it keeps the history of all your measurements. So let's just say that you forgot the last measurement that you did. You can scroll around with the history of the different measurements that you took for that day. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to scroll into the area mode 1, 2. So all we need is 2 measurements to get the square footage area. The tape measure, it moves right here. Take from the edge of the tape measure all the way to the end of this blue mark, tick mark right here. So that's where it's making its measurements. Measure exactly at 1. Once you see that measurement, you press the button to lock it in place. This edge right here, all the way to the end of this lock button right here, it'll lock in place. This is the area that you're gonna do, and there's also the perimeter amounts. I turned on the laser just by pressing the play button right there. Measure from the distance of this desk up to my ceiling. Now using the laser is perfect for that. And what's gonna measure is from the back of this tape measure to the top. See how that red is just flashing right there? There we go. And it measured from the desk up to my ceiling. It is 4.9 feet. Now you can change also the measurements, the units. You can go feet to inches. If you want to go to this, it's 4 feet 11 inches and 5/8. You can scroll around which one is easier to read for you. Okay friends, this is the Milsey digital laser tape measure. If you want an upgrade from your old boring tape measure to something more advanced and make your job easier and faster, this will probably be your best bet to go. A lot of tape measures out there that are expensive with the complicated features and whatnot. This is very easy to use and not too combobulated with so much technology that you get lost on how to use it. This is very DIY friendly and straight to the point. If you are interested on this one, I'll leave the link on the description down below for this specific one. Again, I give this an A rating. Simple yet effective. So now let's get to the pros and the cons. So you already seen the pros from the beginning from what I reviewed from this tape measure. Going straight to the cons, again, if you're measuring manually, it only goes up to 16 feet. But if you use that laser option, it'll go and measure endlessly from whatever distance. And another thing, since it's digital, you have to charge it up. That's the only cons that I see for this. Otherwise, it's built pretty well. It's got a clip, it's got the holder right here, and yeah, pretty cool. So there you have it friends, those are the 3 cool useful tools that I have on today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below which tool have you used, which one do you own, and what your experiences with these tools that I reviewed in today's video. Let me know also in the comment section down below which tool you want me to review on the next upcoming video. With that being said, if you're interested on any of the tools that I reviewed on this video, I'll leave all the links on the description down below. Again friends, if you're loving these types of videos, hit that like and subscribe. It'll greatly help out the channel. Again, it'll make me continue making these types of product review videos. Again friends, if you found this video super helpful, please hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.